while I'm at it, may I ask you what kind of a significance and importance did CDS Rawatji bring in with the creation of the entire post itself, because it's supposed to be revolutionary?
I think I'll answer. Yeah, it's a very intelligent question you have asked, Sharon, and it has got tremendous implications at the national and international level. You see, CDS as a structure, maybe there are many nations which have gone in for this structure of CDS.
Right.
And all these nations, particularly the US model, when we talk of, US itself took almost about, I think, 49 or 51 years to have things in perspective. So it's not that easy, getting 3 services. And now there will be a 4th one and the 5th one and the 6th one, like cyber and space adding on, getting them together onto a common ground, common parameter of operational paradigm is a very tall order, because each service has its own perspective and requirement. It's very important for each other to understand. Towards that end, he, going by the evolutionary process of this very concept at strategic level, the CDS is generally perceived and understood. That is how it is being applied. The CDS is supposed to be the operational command. Okay? Right. In most of the countries, in the chiefs, because my statement should not be misinterpreted at any level by any audience. It is just my personal understanding, because I myself, I have been a member of this study group, which gave a strong recommendation. Based on that study, this is being implemented. The chief of the army, or the chief of the air, and the chief of the naval staff, as we had proposed at that point in time, having examined the pros and cons, they're supposed to be responsible for training and preparing the combat units for the combat. The operational command of all the 3 services, they will all converge at a point which will be headed by the CDS. Now, whether the CDS, because for time, if US, a superpower like US, took 50 long years to have its things placed in right perspective under a CDS, you can well imagine we have started so many years late. Okay, so you can add on. Maybe we can accelerate the process, because the threat is very, very, I would say, imminent from all the sides. I'm not talking only about Western and Northern. I'm also talking about those invisible threats which are already playing havoc in our civil society today. Cyber, space, pandemic, the biological, biosecurity. Okay, such like securities I'm talking about. So therefore, what I'm coming to is that the CDS, going by virtue of its responsibility, it is evolving, it is not yet crystallized. It is supposed to be part of the Department of Military Affairs. Going by the seniority of the appointments of the existing hierarchy, the present Chief of the Army Staff is the senior most. I personally feel the seniority must be given its due importance and weightage.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.